Hello, my name is Arun Thiruvengadam. I'm a member of the School of Policy and Governance at Azim Premji University. I'm a lawyer by training. I hold undergraduate and master's degrees in law from the National Law School of Bangalore. And I subsequently pursued a master's and a doctorate in law at the New York University School of Law. Before I decided to become an academic, I worked as a practicing lawyer. I started at the Supreme Court of India, where I was a judicial law clerk working with Justice A.M. Ahmadi for about 18 months. I also practiced before the High Courts of Madras, Delhi and the Supreme Court of India for about 2.5 years. My main area of research and teaching is comparative constitutional law, which is what I did my doctorate in. But more recently I've focused on the Constitution of India. In the School of Policy and Governance, we have two programs, the Masters of Policy and Governance and the LL.M in Law and Development. I teach courses in both these programs. In the MPG course, I teach a first semester core course called Constitutional Foundations of the State in India. This is an overview course meant for people who are not trained in law but need to engage with constitutional principles and institutions. So the course provides an overview of the broad principles of the Indian Constitution and the main institutions of governance that it enshrines and empowers. The second course that I teach is also a core course. This is in the LL.M program. It's a course called Law and Development, and it's a first semester core course that all students enrolled in the LL.M have to take. This course provides an overview of the field of law and development and engages with some classic works in the field and tracks its evolution right up to the contemporary. The third course that I teach is a course called Comparative Public Law and Governance, a core course for the LL.M in the second semester. It's a course which focuses on comparative constitutional law and rights adjudication. I also teach a fourth course, which is an elective offered to students in the MPG, the LL.M, and the MA development students in the School of Development at APU. This is a course called Welfare Rights in India. People who take the course have to write a research paper over a course of 6 months, where they focus on some aspect of the welfare rights regime in India. What is interesting about the programs offered at APU is that they are interdisciplinary, not just in their aspiration, but they are interdisciplinary in the mix of faculty who teach these courses and in the mix of students who take this course when it's offered in class. Typically, students from across different schools study the subject matter of these courses, and the fact that they have multiple perspectives, the faculty who teach them come from different disciplines, provides what we think is a fairly unique educational experience. Thank you.